Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We're inside today as it's absolutely raining like mad. It's not stopped raining nearly all week. And this Hyundai Santa Fe we've just took in part exchange. Got front park distance control, alloy wheels, lovely condition throughout. Reverse camera, tow bar hardly used, twin exhaust, it's a 4-wheel drive. As you see, it's absolutely lovely condition. Privacy glass to the rear. To show you the unit's huge, a lot of cars in here. Full leather interior, centre armrest, cup holders, electric windows, even heated seats in the back, sorry. Electric windows all round, electric mirrors, power fold mirrors, electric seats, full leather. Inside the car, really is fully loaded with cruise control. It's low mileage. Nice stereo system. So we've got the sat nav, reverse camera, park distance control, heated seats, 3 stages. DAB, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, multifunction steering wheel, your diff lock and everything's all there. Just 50,508 miles. Cup holders, centre armrest. So it's in fantastic condition. Very comprehensive service history. It's just been MOT'd. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.